What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we're going to be installing one of my favorite upgrades I've ever done to a Jeep Wrangler. Stay tuned. Now what we're going to be installing today is a dead pedal, and for those of you that don't know what a dead pedal is, if you have an automatic transmission in your Jeep from 2007 through 2018, they also make these for TJs and YJs as well, and JLs, but I have a JK, so we're focusing on the years 2007 through 2018. And you have an automatic transmission, this basically adds a third pedal where the clutch would normally go for a manual transmission and acts as a quote-unquote dead pedal. Now this is basically a footrest and allows you to put your foot up there where the pedals would normally be for like a manual transmission, but act dead and not do anything, I guess, if that makes sense. So we're going to be installing that today. So what you'll need is your dead pedal, and then I'm going to show you guys the tools that you need. It's a very simple installation, and we'll get into the install. So first and foremost, before we get into the tools that you guys need, yes, I do have a cover over my Jeep. Why, you may ask? It is because I do not want my Jeep to get wet. Obviously, that's what the cover is for. But a lot of people are probably going to say, well, it's a Jeep, it's supposed to get wet, the inside is made to get wet, you got the drain plugs and everything. Yes, that is true, and I wouldn't be having the cover over the top of it if it wasn't for my sound system. I do have a pretty nice sound system from Scar Audio inside this thing, and I don't want that to get wet, and plus I don't want my cloth seats to get any more mildewy than they already are. Yes, they are, and I will admit that. So let's go ahead and get back into the tools that you guys need. So the tools and the items that you will need. One is your dead pedal, of course. Two, I'm going to be using my Milwaukee M18 Impact, and yes, that is quite a big battery, and a 10mm socket for a 3/8 inch drive. Like I said, this is my 3/8 M18 Impact. So you can use 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, or 3/8 inch. It does not matter as long as it's a 10mm. And let's go ahead and get into this install. So coming inside the driver's side here, you're going to see the bracket here that holds your door strap on, where the two bolts are. And then you're going to have two bolts a little bit further back here, one right there and one right here. Don't mind the red wire, that's for my sound system. We're going to go ahead and remove these two bolts here and these two bolts here. They're actually nuts. These are bolts and these are two nuts. Go ahead and remove those, and then we can move on to the next part of this installation. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and put your dead pedal on centered where those holes are that we removed the nuts and the bolts, and go ahead and put your bracket here where your door strap goes underneath where the dead pedal is. Go ahead and hand tighten your nuts and bolts onto the dead pedal, and then you can go ahead and tighten those back down. And there you have it, guys. There is the dead pedal fully installed into your Jeep. And that's going to do it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed and I helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a like. Comment down below what your favorite upgrade is on your Jeep, and subscribe for more videos like this. And we'll see you guys here in the next video.